Hey guys, it's Avasimp, aka Aster. We're going to be opening up a collector booster pack of Avatar. Just something real quick for the shorts for TikTok. Then we're just going to crack this right open and see what we got. I'm opening this off camera. I don't have the top-down view going. I apologize. I'm recording this on my phone, so it's not perfect. I accidentally may or may not have broken my whatchamacallit. So we'll go from the back here. I forget how many cards you're supposed to pull from the back. So we're just going to... Yip. We got Rocky Rebuke. Rowdy Snowballers. We got June Bounty Hunter. I'm dropping cards. We got Fire Nation Warship. We got Earth Rumble. We got Fire Nation Ambushers. Thriving Grove. I'm dropping cards. We got Eel Hounds. Swamp. All right. Here's the big stuff, right? Get one of those neon cards, right? We got the Earth King. Iroh, Dragon of the West. Oh, all right. We got a borderless Fire Lord Azula. That's pretty cool. Elemental Bond. And Firebending Student. Alright, nothing crazy. Maybe, I don't know what Azula's at right now. Maybe we got the value of the pack back. But, yeah. That was the opening. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys on the next opening once I can snag something.